Hey everyone, Shraddha here. I'm going to cover this comment by Shamina. Hi Shamina. So you have asked me that where to send the mail or how to check. Okay, so all you need to do in your phone, you must have seen this icon. Where is it? Okay, this Gmail, right? Just tap on your Gmail, go to compose. Okay, then subject would be looking forward to my refund or refund request. You can write anything. Okay, here id will be your email id. It will take automatically. So okay, here you need to write office support at the wps.com. See, you can see this, then tap on this. It will come like this. Subject would be refund request, and this would be hi team. Okay, let me just type hi team. A few days back, or you can just mention the date on, then mention date. Okay, I'm considering it as maybe 2000 rupees. INR has been deducted. The amount that got deducted from your end, just mention that amount. Okay, had got deducted. It was an accidental purchase. It was an accidental purchase. I don't need this subscription. It is of no use for me, use to me. Then you can write, just say I just need my money. I just need my refund. This money is very important. This money is very important to me. Please refund my money ASAP. Okay, see, then you can just say regards, your name Shamina. Okay, Shamina, done. So Shamina, like so see, what you need to do once you tap on this open, आप देख सकते हो on top side you can just see this blue arrow kind of thing. It's like send. Just click on send this mail and then copy this body. Next day copy this body and again send the same mail to this same mail id. Same subject would be there, same content would be there, everything would be same. Okay, do it on a daily basis. Don't do it multiple times a day. One time in a day. Do it on a daily basis. Within 3 to 5 days they will surely reply for your mail and they will start the process. Even if they are saying that we cannot refund your money, it doesn't meet our policy, again you need to copy paste the same mail and send it to them. They will make your refund for sure. There is no doubt in it. Okay, just that you need to keep pinging them, keep on mailing them that you want your refund. You don't need a subscription anymore. I hope it will help. And yeah, just consider subscribing, and if you have an issue let me know. And yeah, I have pinned your comment also. So if you get your refund ASAP, just let me know that too. So stay tuned. Bye bye.